Hi, let me show you how to get iPhone out of SOS mode. So if right here in the top right corner instead of signal bars you can see word SOS, then let me show you how to exit this mode. For that, what we can do is we can quickly press volume up button, then volume down, and then press and hold side button till the screen turns off. So important moment is to do this really quickly. So volume up, down, and hold this side button. From here, ignore this part of menu. Just continue holding side button till the screen will be completely turned off and you will see Apple logo appears on it. And now we can release the button and just wait for the phone to turn back on. So you may need to repeat the process for about 2-3 times or even more if the SOS mode did not disappear from the top right corner. But this method will help to get you your basic signal bars in the top right corner. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.